right, we're going to up the ante for this next one. We are going to throw minor thirds into the mix as well. Minor thirds sound when they're going up like the beginning of Green Sleeves. So just to quickly review, a minor third, we're going to do these all ascending. A minor third is going to sound like Green Sleeves. A major third is going to sound like When the Saints Go Marching In. And a perfect fifth is going to sound like Lavender's Blue. Let's get started. There we can hear the beginning of ba, 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 bum. So that is a minor third. Here we've got a major third. Oh, when the saints. This is a major third. That nice open sound gives us a perfect fifth. And that rather mournful sound gives us a minor third. Here we've got a minor third. You can hear the start of Green Sleeves. A nice open Lavender's Blue, perfect fifth. Major third. Perfect fifth. Minor third. Minor third. Perfect fifth. Minor third. Major third. Minor third. Major third. Two more. Perfect fifth. Last one.